Multifunction digital multimeter with voltage, current measurement, NCV detection, temperature, diode, resistance measurement, data retention, backlight and flashlight. AC voltage measurement can directly switch frequency when measuring AC. Function, DC voltage, DC regulated power supply measurement display. Resistance measurement, which can be measured by connecting both sides. Switching function, diode measurement, corresponding to positive and negative poles. Buzzer, check whether the line is on or off. Temperature, water temperature and lighter measurement, clearly see the value change. Zero fire line identification, connect the red pen, and use the probe to measure single. NCV detection will emit a beam. Comparison, compared with a desktop multimeter, the value is very accurate. DC current measurement, the current must be in series, not directly measured. AC current, measuring current must be in series, not directly measured. Flashlight display, easy to measure in the dark.